My wife noticed something rather unusual with this Nature Valley. She has not opened it yet. And I'm going to show you. This is not opened. Show this. So basically when you take your hand and you feel it, there's only half a whatchamadink on here. So we're going to open it up. And as you can tell, there's only half of a biscuit in here. Now, I will show you what it really should look like. This is another one, and when you touch it with your hand, it's a full biscuit. And I'll take it apart. And this is what it should look like, a full biscuit. So, looks like Nature's Valley owes us half of an almond butter biscuit. And looks like Rob Wolchek, the cat here, seems to be interested in the biscuit, but this might be something that he does not get.